In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect iPad to your Apple CarPlay. So let's get started. Apple CarPlay is designed to work only with iPhones, not iPads. So an iPad cannot be directly connected to your Apple CarPlay in a car. Even if you plug an iPad into the car using a USB cable, lightning cable, or a USB-C cable, CarPlay will not activate because Apple restricts CarPlay supports to iPhone only. This is a software limitation, not a cable or settings issue, so there is no official way to enable CarPlay on an iPad. However, there are practical alternatives if you want to use your iPad in the car. One option is using the iPad as a standalone display, like so. You can mount the iPad on a dashboard or a windshield mount and use apps like Google Maps, Apple Maps, or Spotify, YouTube Music, or Waze directly on the iPad itself. Audio can be played through the car using Bluetooth or an AUX cable if your car supports it. This doesn't give you the CarPlay interface, but it still gives you navigation, music, and calls, all of what CarPlay is supposed to give you. Another workaround is screen mirroring if your car's infotainment system supports it. Some cars allow HDMI input, mirrorcast, or wireless display features. In that case, you can mirror your iPad's screen to the car display using an HDMI adapter or a wireless mirroring device. Keep in mind that this depends heavily on the car model and usually doesn't work as smoothly as CarPlay does. So the best alternative is just to mount your iPad onto your car and use all the features separately like Google Maps, music, and calls. So the recommended step at the end of the day is just to use your iPhone for Apple CarPlay and keep the iPad as a secondary device. The iPhone handles CarPlay on car screen, while the iPad can be used by a passenger for media, browsing, or navigation planning. If Apple ever adds iPad support for CarPlay in the future, it would come via a software update, but as of now, iPads are not supported. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helped you guys out and I'll be seeing you guys next